If a Windows 11 keeps freezing out of nowhere, this quick guide will show you exactly how to fix it and get your PC running smoothly again. Let's get started. Disable Startup Services. Click on the Start menu. Type Run, search for it and open it. In the box, type msconfig and hit Enter. Click the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Then click Disable All. Click Apply and OK. And when asked to restart, choose Exit without Restart for now. Update Windows. Launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Install anything pending. Running the latest updates often fixes where it freezes. Uninstall unnecessary apps. So navigate to the section Apps, head over to the option Installed. Look through the list and uninstall any apps you don't actually use, whether widgets, extra bloatware, etc. Check hard drive for errors. Open Files Explorer. Right-click your C drive. Click Properties. Under the Tools tab, click Check, then Scan Drive. Wait for the scan to finish. It will fix any detected errors. Repair System Files. Click Start menu, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, run as administrator. Type this command and hit Enter. sfc space / scan now. Let it finish 100%. Adjust power settings. Set your PC to high performance mode. Start menu, then head over to Control Panel. Make sure you have set View by to large icons. Click Power option, select High Performance. Run Disk Cleanup. Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, open it, select your C drive, check all boxes. Click Cleanup System Files, hit OK, then confirm Yes. Defragment and optimize drive. Click on Start menu, search for Defragment and optimize device. Once it appears, launch it. Select your drive, click Optimize, quick and easy. This helps speed things up. Lastly, check your RAM for errors. Start menu, type Windows Memory Diagnostic, open it, click Restart Now and check for problems. Your PC will restart and scan your memory. Any issues will show up. Once you have applied all these steps, you'll be good to go. If this video helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.